exciting news from the world of 3D software and the CG industry. Recently, a new and game-changing Blender tool has been released that is taking the internet by storm. This tool, developed by a content creator named ControlNet, has the potential to revolutionize AI image generation by providing unprecedented levels of control to stable diffusion models. The tool is a handy script that allows you to create a neutral network ControlNet inside Blender, a network structure that controls diffusion models by adding extra conditions. This solves the problem of spatial consistency and allows the AI model to know exactly what parts of the input image to keep, improving the accuracy of images produced. One of the barriers to using AI in art is the limited language we currently use to communicate with it. However, this tool provides a method to enable stable diffusion models to use additional input conditions, opening up a new world of possibilities for artists who like to create hyperrealistic renders using Blender. To use this tool, you will need the Stable Diffusion Web UI and Microbial UI for ControlNet, and then you can simply copy and paste the demo code directly into your Blender scripting panel. It's that easy. In conclusion, this tool is a game-changer for AI image generation and will allow you to control diffusion models without leaving Blender. Whether you're an artist looking to create hyperrealistic renders or just interested in exploring the potential of AI, this tool is worth checking out. So why not give it a try and see the magic happen? Thank you for your attention, and I see you next time.